good morning. Welcome back to Gurudeva e-learning class. My dear students, as you know already, we were discussing about the fourth lesson, that is places around us, right? So my dear students, in the previous class, you have learnt about some places which are very important in everyone's life. Which are those? Yes, you're absolutely right. So those are school and library, isn't it? So these two places are very important places in everyone's life to make our life or our future brighter and brighter, right? So we learnt about the importance, how that places are very helpful for us. About that we learned, right? So this is a time for revise the previous class, my dear. Let's recapitulate this previous class. Okay, then tell me, my dear, in which place are you making many more friends, my dear? Yes, you're absolutely right. So at the school we are making many more friends because of we learn with the other students, right? So commonly they are making the friends for us, right? Okay, next, where we can see many more books. Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. In the library we are seeing the many more books. All those books are help us to enhance or improve our knowledge, right? Okay, my dear. Yes, my dear students, then tell me where we can learn the many more different new skills, my dear. In which place we are learning? Yes, you're obviously right. At the school we learning many more different skills like singing, dancing, and acting. Okay, by doing the role play we are learning the acting and how to speak, how to exhibit the concept in front of the teachers and students. About that we are learning in the school atmosphere, right? So my dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about the other some places which are plays very important role in our life. Okay, about that in today's class we are going to learn here. Before that we will continue the remaining lesson. So please open your textbook on page number 168 because of I am going to read the remaining lesson, my dear. Okay, have you opened the textbook?
Bank. A bank is a very useful place in our neighborhood. It helps us by keeping our money and jewelry safe. We can deposit and withdraw money from the bank. We can also withdraw money using our ATM card. An ATM is an automatic machine that allows people to withdraw their money anytime, anywhere in the country. Banks also issue credit cards and debit cards. We can use these cards to buy things. My dear, there is a workstation. About that we will discuss at the end of the class. Okay. Next, mall. A mall is a large building with many stores selling different things. It also has restaurants, multiplex to watch movies on big screen, game zones for entertainment, etc. My dear, remaining lesson we will continue in the next class. Okay, until you can keep reading and make a audio record of the reading the lesson and send to me by WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, my dear students, remaining lesson I will continue in the next class. Now I am going to write the interesting words which are given in the textbook and which I fetch in the textbook, my dear. Okay, so that's why you be ready with your pencil and classwork. Okay, yes, my dear students, let's read the interesting words one by one. Okay, the first one is JEWELLARY, jewelry. Second one, DEPOSIT, deposit. Third one, WITHDRAW, withdraw. Fourth one, AUTOMATIC, automatic. Fifth one, MACHINE, machine. Sixth one, COUNTRY, country. Seventh one, CREDIT, credit. Eighth one, DEBIT, debit. Ninth one, OBSERVE, observe. Okay, observe. 10th one, RECEIVING, receiving. 11th one, COUNTER, counter. 12th one is UPDATION, updation. 13th one, DIFFERENT, different. 14th one, RESTAURANTS, restaurants. 15th one, MULTIPLEX, multiplex. 16th one, ENTERAINMENT, entertainment. My dear students, observe, receiving, counter, updation. These 4 words are in your workstation. Okay. So my dear, all these interesting words you must underline on your textbook and also you must write in your classwork. Okay. In today only you can practice all these interesting words, because of all these interesting words are help to read the lesson very easily. Okay. Are you practicing in your home itself today? Okay my dear, very good. So now we are going to discuss or learn about the hospital. Now we are going to understand about the hospital. Okay. So my dear, have you visited the hospital? Yes, you are right. We are all visited the hospital, right? So when you are going to the hospital, my dear? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. When we fall in sick, and that time we are going to the hospital, right? To whom will you give the treatment to us, my dear? Yes, you are right. So the doctor treats the patients by giving them medicines, right? So when we fall in sick, on that time the doctor is giving treatment for us by giving the prescriptions, medicines, tablets, tonics, right? So by that we will going to recover our health, right? Injection also they are doing. Okay my dear, I have one doubt. You can tell me. So when you are taking the injection from the doctor, how do you feel, my dear? Are you feel happy? Or else are you crying? Yes, most probably some people sad. They are crying, some are not crying, right? Because of their strength, isn't it? Okay, my dear. So then tell me, who are the peoples are working in the hospital, my dear? Do you know? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. All the hospitals have doctors, nurse, ward boys and other staff, right? So doctor is giving the treatment for us, or instead of the doctor, nurse is also here. They are treating for us. Okay. By the instructions of the doctor, the nurse is also here giving treatment for us, right? Some hospitals we can see that nurse is they giving the injection for us. They only written giving the medicines for us, and they are telling the some instructions to recover our health, right? Isn't it? Okay, and also we can see the ward boys and other staff. Okay, ward boys, it means in big hospital like Manipal you can take, or other big hospital we see means we can see the ward boys. They are also working in the hospital, right? What work they are doing means they are carrying the patient from one place to another place in the hospital itself. Okay, for example, if the patient is in the critical condition or the serious condition is there means, on that time they are carrying the patients from ICU to or else X-ray room to scanning room, or scanning room to ICU room, like that they are carrying. Okay, so they are also help us to recover our health. Okay, they are also taking more care of the patients, my dear. Okay, so here we can see the other staff. So other staff, it means lab technicians. Okay, lab technicians, it means the doctor will telling us, go and check your blood, right? So on that time we are going to the lab and we are taking the blood checkup, isn't it? So like that other staff also we are seeing in the hospital, my dear. Okay, so my dear, already you knew since last year to up to now we are all stay at home, right? Because of the aggressive, dangerous coronavirus is alarming all over the world, right? In this critical and pandemic situation, so doctors, nurse, ward boys, other staff, police, Asha Karyakartas, so many people are working for us. Okay, they are working day and night to protect us from that dangerous virus, right? So they keep their life into dangerous situation and they are doing the war against the coronavirus to protect everyone's life from that dangerous virus, right, my dear? Already you knew this. So commonly we are telling about the importance of the doctor. Doctor is the second god of everyone's life because of they are saving our lives from the dangerous diseases like cancer, okay, and brain tumor. This is the brief information about the doctors. Because of already you knew about the doctor and hospital, right? What work they are doing, isn't it? Okay, my dear. So next we are going to discuss about the one of the very important financial institution in everyone's life, that is bank. Yes, my dear ones, have you seen the banks? Is there in our town? Yes, there are many banks are there in our neighborhood like SBI, BDCC Bank, Canara Bank, Pragati Gramina Bank, Vikas Bank, like that. Many more banks are around us. Okay, they are in our town. Understand? So, my dear, have you visited the bank with your parents? Don't you visit? Okay, don't worry. Once you can visit the bank, then you are going to understanding how do bank is useful for us. That you are going to understand. Okay, so my dear, when the word bank is heard the people, then their mind, the money imagination will come in. Because of it is a very useful, important financial institution. Institution in the sense that is a place. Okay. So my dear, how do bank help us? It means, so you can observe here, bank help us to keeping our jewelry and money safe. Already you knew in our surroundings many more thieves are there, right? So we want to protect our money and our jewelries. It means we have to contact or else we have to visit the bank. Okay, so bank is the safest place of our money and jewelry. Okay, so how they are protecting our money? Do you know, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, so we want to protect our money and we have to keep the money in the bank itself. It means first we should open the account in the bank, which is your favorite. Okay, so you have to open the account by filling the bank form. Okay, by that you can open account, and in your account you have to save your money. You have to go and keep money. Whenever you have that money, you can go and keep in the bank. They are protecting your money. Okay, and also you want to protect the jewelries. It means then also you can go and visit the bank and you have to tell them to, I will keep my jewelries in the bank. Then they are giving one locker to you. Okay, so for that locker we have to pay some much money. For yearly we have to pay the money for maintenance of the locker. Okay, so ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಣವನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹಣ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರೀಸನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಕರನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಲಾಕರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರೀಸನ್ನು ಇಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಅವರ್ ಮನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿ ಸೇವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್? ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ we can deposit and withdraw money from bank. Okay, we can deposit. It means we have to open the account. We can, whenever we have that money, we can go and keep in the account. Okay, so that is called deposit. So withdraw, it means whenever you want the money, then you can go and contact the bankers. Okay, you have to fill and give the challan how much money you need, that they are giving return to you, that is called withdraw. Okay, so that facility is also there in the bank. Understand? And also my dear, you need the money, it means you can go and ask the loan, okay, in the bank. Then also they are giving money as a loan. For that loan you can pay the interest in the sense buddy. Okay, what are the loans they are giving to you? It means for you want to build the house, it means then also giving. For study loans they are giving, and you want to purchase the vehicles, it means then also they are giving the loans. Okay, you want to do business, it means then also they are giving the loans for that. Okay, so for the loans you have to pay interest. Understand? So next my dear, commonly in our surroundings the people are telling we have the ATM card, we have the debit card, we have the credit cards, right? Have you seen the ATM card my dear? Don't you see? Okay, let's observe the picture. So this is a ATM card. ATM card, it means ATM in the sense automatic teller machine. Okay, so ATM is the digitalized version of the money my dear. We can't carry the money from one place to another place. It is a very risky and dangerous job for everyone. So instead of the money, we can easily carry the ATM card. Okay, so ATM in the sense automatic teller machine. How can we use this ATM card? It means, so in your surroundings there are ATM booths are there. Near the Karnataka Bank is there, near the Tergaddi, we are telling na, so there also is there. Okay, near the all banks also is there ATM booth. So how can we draw the money by the ATM machine? It means first you have to insert the ATM card in the ATM machine. Okay, later you have to type the PIN number and how much money you need, that you have to type. Okay, so next the machine will giving money to you. Okay, so after receiving the money you have to erase all the details of your ATM card. Okay, PIN number, how much money you have, account number, that all also you can erase and come to outside. Never the thieves are easily draw the money by your PIN number and your account number. Okay, so after receiving the money by the ATM machine, you must erase and come all the details. Understand? And one of the very important use of the ATM machine is there. ATM allows people to withdraw their money anytime, anywhere in the country. Okay, so you have the ATM card, it means anywhere all over the India, anytime, anywhere you can easily draw the money by the ATM card, ATM machine. Okay, not only in Kottur, not only in the Karnataka, all over the India, where you want, there you can easily withdraw the money my dear. Okay, and my dear, issues other two cards also. Which are those? Do you know, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, we will discuss about that. Okay, my dear friends, bank is also issues the credit card and debit card to buy the things in the shopping malls or as whenever. Okay, so wherever you want, there you can shopping, buy that things. Not only shopping, even you can use that cards in the hospitals or as in the grocery shop, anywhere. Okay, so let's observe the credit card. Okay, so what is the meaning of credit card? It means, my dear, a card which allows people to buy things without cash. Okay, so this card is help us to buy the things without cash, my dear. Okay, you want to purchase the things in the grocery shop or in the big malls, it means we can use this credit card. Okay, this card has only limited amount. Okay, it has the limited amount. For example, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, that much money we can use by using this credit card. Okay, so after that we want to use that credit card, it means we have to pay the interest to the bank. Okay, so next one is, you can observe the debit card, my dear. So a debit card used to make purchases with the card in the card holder deposit account. Okay, so this debit card is issued by the bank who are the account holders in the bank itself. Okay, for those people, the bank is giving this debit card. Okay, so by this debit card, we can purchase the things in the mall or shopping centers, and we can use this card in the hospital also. Okay, this card also we can swipe afterwards. The money is cutting in our account. Okay, na? So it is with the card, with the cash. This is without cash we can purchase. This is with cash. Who are the credit holders deposit account. Okay, so if we swipe this card, it means how much money we spend, that money will cut it in our account. Okay, na? So ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ATM ಕೊಡೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಬೈ ಸ್ವೈಪಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ವೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ ಶಾಪ್, ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ without cash, debit card means with cash. Okay, idu with cash, idu without cash ನಾವು things ಅನ್ನ purchase ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Understand? So now you are all thinking, which is the oldest bank, which is the first bank in India? That you are thinking, right? Do you know which is the first bank in our India? Don't you know? Okay, so this is your homework, my dear. You can find out which is the first bank in our India. That you have to find out in the Google. You can search the answer and send to me by WhatsApp that answer. Okay, so my dear, in our textbook there is one workstation is there. What they give in the workstation, that we will see in the next class. Okay, so my dear, I hope you understood the topic as concept what we discussed in today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Until you can practice all the interesting words, all the discussed point about the bank and hospital. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye, my dear.